Guy? Okay, guys, so we're gonna be looking at airplane alarms. Let's see.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, head, pull up, obstacle ahead, pull up, obstacle ahead. Terrain, terrain, pull up, pull up. Fire left engine. Fire right engine. Fire left engine. Fire right engine 1 fire. Engine 2 fire. Engine 3 fire. Left engine. Fire right engine. Fire left engine. Fire right engine. Fire number 1 engine. Fire number 2 engine. Fire number 3 engine. Fire number 4 engine. Fire left engine. Fire right engine. Fire left engine. Stall. 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 Stall.
Oh, now what's
Stall. Stall. Down, 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 down. Stall, stall. Stall, stall. Stall, stall. 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 Stall, stall. Stall, stall.
speed?
Stall, stall. Overspeed. Overspeed. Stall.
Overspeed. Overspeed. Oh, don't change it now.
Overspeed. Overspeed. Overspeed.
How can you overspeed a chord? So is the weight gone? Or just whatever? So that's pretty much that's about it. Alright, see you next time, and I hope this was entertaining for you. Bye!